In the rich teachings of Shia Islam, Mahdaviyat stands as a profound concept, embodying hope, justice, and divine promise. Mahdaviyat is built upon 5 pillars that shape the foundation of this sacred belief. The first pillar, unwavering belief in the existence of Imam al-Mahdi, the 12th Imam, as the divinely appointed guide and savior. The second pillar, acknowledging the period of occultation, a divine concealment that tests the faith of believers, prompting patience and steadfastness. The third pillar, eagerly awaiting the reappearance of Imam al-Mahdi, fostering a sense of anticipation and preparedness for the coming of justice and righteousness. The fourth pillar, dedicated devotion and heartfelt supplication, seeking the intercession of Imam al-Mahdi in times of need and tribulation. The fifth pillar, an unwavering commitment to justice and righteousness, aligning one's actions with the values and principles upheld by Imam al-Mahdi.